So there have been 10 coaches in the Blizzard's history. Now, the two I want to talk about are the most successful coaches and then coaches we don't want to remember, that they're just down there. First coach, let's go to the unsuccessful. Name is Chris Williams. This was during the Blizzard's drought, where this is not their good times. They put together a record of 8-29. He was not that good. Where compared to our most successful coach, Bob Lansey, he was 40 wins and 29 losses. So big differences if you look at good old Chris Williams here to Bob. Because Bob was one of the successful coaches here, and this was during our Arena Football 2 time when we were in that lead. Chris Williams, this is during the indoor football year, 5-year playoff drought, where we were just, the less said, the better about that. Those years is the better.